Hi, my name is Barry Nichol. I'm the course manager at the East Renfrewshire Golf Club. Character-wise, great character throughout the golf course. Every hole's completely different. It's what separates this course from multiple others. It's unique in its own rights.
We are just 15 minutes from Glasgow city centre, but when you're out in the course here, you certainly wouldn't know that. We have views over Ben Lomond and the Trossachs, which is just fantastic. Like you mentioned, the Iseki tractor, we've not been able to do one particular project because we didn't have that piece of machinery. So because we have that now, we've factored that into the winter programme. And Barry and the team here, all the guys work collaboratively. They work together in producing the winter programme, and it's quite extensive. They put a lot of work into it, and they almost look forward to that more than the summer. So they love tackling these major projects. So having the right equipment is vital, or they wouldn't be able to do that. And I think the members as well look forward to the winter programme coming out to see what's going to be enhanced through the winter going into the new season.
Well, we like the Isekis. We've had an Iseki before, and a great tractor, great reliability, no issues from the mechanical side. It does a great job. It works for us up here at East Ren, especially up on the hill. It gets about a hilly terrain absolutely fine, and it was a no-brainer to come back in with another Iseki, to be honest with you. We've tried and tested on here. It's very much suited to ourselves up here, and I would say right across the golfing industry, all the golf courses, I would say. In the winter months, obviously, we'll do a lot more work in terms of aeration work. So we'll put the back implements on the back of it, and we'll do a lot of trailer, a lot of pulling back and forth, and a lot of digging work as well. So, as I say, in autumn, winter time and spring, the tractor will be in full swing at that point. Yes, the versatility is important. It will do multiple jobs, from tining work, aeration work, loading, cleaning car parts. Put the front forks on it as well, so it can do a wide range of stuff. Having the different transmissions means on the golf course you can have it where it's manual when you get through the gears, or if you're out on the roads you can have it in the automatic where it goes through the gears itself, so which is great as well. So that works well both sides. So it's another great bit of necessity to have there. Well, fairways, absolutely fantastic. Couple of phone calls and they're pretty quick on response. So in dealing with fairways, absolutely first class.
It's vital again for us to have these relationships with fairways. Working with Ray, working with Robert and working with Stuart, it's been vital for me having that link with fairways to then me and Barry working together as well. So they've been extremely helpful in getting us, and to get the right equipment as well. They've been so helpful in terms of the guidance and advice from them to get the right equipment to fit the right course. Being a moorland course, it's been important to have that relationships and have that trust to get it right for everybody involved.